Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the kitchen. In our kitchen today, we are going to make some quick breakfast. Are you wondering what you want to do for breakfast early this morning? Just follow me to the kitchen. Let's do some pancake. Delicious pancake. Try this. Here guys, we need some eggs. We need our sugar. Here we'll be using brown sugar. We need milk. In this case you can use either liquid milk or powder milk, but I choose to use liquid milk. You can use much milk as possible as you can. And look at the milk I'm using low fat milk. And then we have our all-purpose flour into this dish. We got this the all-purpose flour, and then we got our granite oil. We got the oil that we'll be using. Okay guys, follow me and see. Let's do the quick mixture of the pancake. Then we have a pinch of salt. Do not forget. Follow me to see the mixture. We're just going to put a pinch of salt into the flour. Okay, mix. Then we're going to pour in our milk. Our sugar. And we're going to stir it. While you start it, you add a little bit of water to the milk to get a consistency that is like this. Continue to get it a smooth consistency. Use your smoother to get a smooth consistency. Depending on how you want your pancake to be, look like this. We shall go ahead and crack our egg. So we're going to use just the egg yolk. When you beat the egg yolk to have a certain consistency, then we're just going to go ahead and pour it into our flour. After mixing our pancake, we are going to go ahead and fry the oil. fry our egg yolk. Just shoot and then you go. Eat breakfast. Try this and give me a thumbs up. Doing your kitchen this morning. Very sharp and easy to do breakfast. Easy breakfast, delicious breakfast, and good, healthy. Try it.